Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the silhouette eyeglasses model TMA in the Must collection, model 5515 in color code 4640. The color of the frame is indigo blue, and the shape of the lens is CT. These glasses are rimless frames. And the lenses are custom prescription order. The temples are blue, and the temple tips are also blue. And on its temple tip, you'll find the silhouette logo in silver. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. Its bridge is also blue. And these are the nose pads. These are custom lenses. They're progressive Trivex lenses with transition signature Gen 8 in the color graphite green. This is what the frame looks like when it's transitioned. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or ordering your own custom RX lenses, head over to JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.